Hi, how are you, Poland? Last year we had an awesome day. It was an awesome conference about courage, and this year we're gonna have a conference about dreams, about having godly dreams. And I have just a short word of encouragement for you, and I want to tell to you that many of you are probably dreaming dreams at the moment, and you have found out that they're hard, and you have a lot of struggle, you have a lot of challenges in your dreams. But I'm telling you that don't give up, because the devil knows the power of having a vision in your life, and he's trying to do anything and everything to destroy that vision that you have for your life. And another thing that I want to tell you, that a vision is not something that you will wait, something that's going to happen next year or maybe the year after that. It's today. Your dreams starts from today. You'll have to make your dreams come today. And step by step, God is going to direct you towards that vision and that dream that God gave you. So come on the 9th of November this year to come and fellowship and have a godly dream and get encouraged. I'm expecting you. I'll be there. We're going to have a great time, and let's go and worship and have godly dreams for the kingdom of God. See you there.